Hello friends, in today's Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you this function known as Format Painter. Format Painter is useful if you ever need to quickly copy and paste the formatting of a specific cell across several desired cells on your spreadsheet that's spread out randomly. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to have instructions that are located on this top right yellow box, and I'm going to have 4 different examples which I'm going to show you straight after this break, so I'll see you at the other side. Okay, welcome back. So we have 4 examples. So I have subscribe, like, comment and hit bell. I know it might sound cliche, but if you do find this tutorial useful, I do hope that you follow one of these sort of techniques as I've shown appreciation. And let's go into the subscribe cell. So I have subscribe laid out randomly across this column, and I wish to change it into this specific formatting, which is on H3. It's filled in with pink, the alignment is left, and it has underline. And you notice that the text is changed into this font. So the way that we use format painting is to follow these 4 steps, which I'm going to go through right now. So first you want to select your desired template cell, so this pink one for instance. We go to the format painter, which is found here. So I double click that. You'll know that it's confirmed when you have these marching ants surrounding the template cell. Now all you have to do is select the desired cell to paste the formatting. So I'm going here and all the other subscribes that I have. To deselect and finalize, you simply press the escape button. And you know that it's finalized when the marching ants has disappeared from the template cell. Let's work on the like example. So template cell, select, double click, marching ants, go to desired cell, and we follow. Now, this tool is not perfect. I'm going to mention 2 things that I do not like about it, and I do hope that Excel in the future does work on it. One of it being the actual cursor itself. I find it very ugly. It's not clear on where exactly it's pointing. As you can see, you have like a cross and you have a paintbrush. I tend to find that it's in the middle of the actual, between the 2 pictures of the icon. And I did find that a little bit confusing at the very start. I do wish that it was like a cross, like an example like this. So we're going to go to the comment for the 3rd one. I double click to get the marching ants, and do make sure that you are using the very center of the actual icon. I find that that works the best. When you get to a situation where there's in a row, you can use the drag function, so that's pretty cool too. The other thing that I don't like is that the tool can occasionally be finicky, so if you don't double click on it, it will only action once. I'm going to show you a demonstration now. So if I go select template, instead of double clicking, I click it once. I'm clicking several times and I can't get it to once. And if I press it once, it will only act on once, and then it won't follow again. So you do occasionally have to double back on it and make sure that you do have surrounding ants on your template cell, and then it works. I find it like about a 60-40, or no, maybe like a 9 times out of 10 it works. It's just that 10% it does seem to deselect itself. So I hope that you found this tutorial useful and practical and easy to follow. If you did, please make sure you either subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell for future tutorials. Please have a look through my other channels for other useful hacks in Excel, and I do hope to see you again in the future. Till then, take care and have a fantastic day.